Hi, my name is Shaz, and today I'm going to talk about stablecoins and their value to the crypto trader. A stablecoin is a cryptocurrency that is built to retain a stable value. Stablecoins can be divided into three categories. Fiat based, these are pegged to a currency, for example USD, Euro. Backed by real world assets, for example gold, silver and oil. Distributed stablecoins, these tokens aim to achieve stability by using mathematical algorithms. The volatility of cryptocurrencies limits real-world use. Imagine if you wanted to buy a coffee paying with Bitcoin. Your local coffee shop isn't going to sell you that coffee if the price may decrease before they can liquidate it. On the flip side, you may not be willing to purchase it using crypto if there's a chance that payment will appreciate in value after you've used it to pay. Tether, also known as USDT, is the most well-known and used stablecoin. It is pegged to the US dollar 1-to-1. Tether is used by exchanges that do not have a fiat gateway. The use of Tether allows crypto traders to keep funds in crypto while protecting them from volatility. Traders can lock in profits and re-enter the market when they choose. All this can be done without the need to convert in and out of fiat. There are questions over if Tether has enough physical dollars to back the number of tokens available. To date, there has been no independent audit. Tether claims it has enough money in the bank. Even if true, holding money in a bank exposes Tether to third-party risk. USDT needs to be converted to USD before it can be spent in the real world. The conversion can be done using the Tether website. Tether applies a fee for the conversion. A better alternative, Kinesis. Kinesis currencies are backed by physically allocated gold and silver. Gold and silver are an asset class that have been around for a very long time and are very stable. The physical gold and silver is held in ABX vaults, which are independently audited. The title to the assets is held on the Kinesis blockchain, so the user has direct ownership and there is no third-party risk. Kinesis currencies can be used by traders to lock in profits and reinvest when they choose. Kinesis currencies can be spent directly using the Kinesis debit card, so you can purchase that coffee. The Kinesis currency KAU is backed by 1 gram of physical gold. KAG is backed by 10 grams of physical silver. Traders will get depositors' yield on their first deposit. Subsequent holdings will get a holder's yield for as long as they hold Kinesis currencies. Let's assume I am a crypto trader and I have had a very good day. I want to lock in my profits. I use the Kinesis block exchange to sell my cryptocurrencies for KAU or KAG depending on my preference. On my initial purchase of KAU or KAG, I will be eligible for depositor's yield. Subsequent purchases will entitle me to holder's yield. As a crypto trader, this is a win-win situation as I can lock in profits which can continue to grow as I get the benefits of the Kinesis monetary system.